Hi everyone, this is John with Level Up Construction. Today I want to talk to you about a kitchen renovation we did in Cornwall-on-Hudson. This home originally was a Sears kit built in 1950, and I'm standing on what used to be the back porch. It was later converted into a kitchen, but it kept the same guidelines as the back porch, so unfortunately the floor and the ceilings weren't level. This was a complete demolition right down to the studs. Adding additional structural support, the homeowner's vision was to create more living space for entertainment purposes. Please check out our video slideshow that we have for you today. If you're a homeowner and in need of our services, please give us a call today for a free estimate.